Hello, welcome back to my vlog. Today also I start the vlog. So right now I'm go duty. I come out from accommodation. So my duty workplace, then accommodation. Duration 20 minutes. So one more thing I inform in my blog. In Saudi Arabia today temperature 44. That's why when I start the vlog, when I shoot the vlog, when I make vlog, now before 1 week, continue. My mobile automatic off become because that's very hot is too much. So this is the reality. We survive foreign employee in Saudi Arabia. Now I feel too hot. Uh, just now I came outside from accommodation. But if highest temperature, also 1 minute we cannot survive. Before I tried under the 14 temperature is my body is become hot more than 20 minutes, 30 minutes. But now 40 up across the hot temperature. Even 1 minute I feel hot. So this is the reality. It's the daytime. We go duty like that, walking to way. This is too hot weather. Oh. So this is the reality. We survive the daily life because our country and Saudi Arabia, we cannot compare the two country between how much hot, what the situation, actually reality, what the earth. Now it's almost hot, 44. So right now I feel hot. So I have the option, the two choice from this way. One of the way direct sunset. One of the way have to shadow this one. So right now I'll be safe little bit because I came with shadow. Just like the way. So this is my vlog. Maybe people doesn't know about actually what I exploring from my this vlog. So when people see my full vlog, after he knows what I exploring in my blog. Right now in Saudi Arabia, time 4 o'clock 15 minutes. So this is time my duty go time. That's why I'm going duty. So we daily survive this situation. So especially I'm coffee maker doing job in Saudi Arabia. So my topics is you can see the YouTube channel, then up in Facebook Reels. So for an employer, how to survive the daily life in Saudi Arabia. So next week I think I have to come new camera. So that's why finish the shadow way. Oh, so this is the imagine. This bird is a flying in the earth right now, right here. Even now, temperature, hot weather, 44. So one thing I even in my country when I child in my country in Nepal, my cousin, uncle, my elder people who come to Saudi Arabia, he told to me, it's too hot, Saudi Arabia. Even some bird flying the earth, he come fall the down, death direct on the spot because too hot. But right now I see this bird which easily can fly. Now eating in the ground. So this is the real earth in Saudi Arabia. foreign player we survive. Even 42 degrees Celsius highest temperature we can survive easily. But we can feel the hot. It means not we feel the cold, but just we can survive. So now the time 10 minutes left. So I have to close the camera.